What is up, guys? It is Josh here with another financial freedom video here where I take you through our journey on how we become financially free. Now in this one, I'm just going to be going over real quick on t-shirt businesses. Now I've had a couple videos about this already, but one thing everyone struggles with when they start coming up with the idea of making t-shirts is, how do I know what to make? So we're going to go over that real quick. That way you can develop some ideas yourself and you can start your own business. Now, here is how I decide shirts I'm going to make when I'm planning to launch one in the near future. So there's some places I go. The first one is Google Keyword Planner. Now this, and it's going to tell you how popular that is and like how many people search it, what's the competitiveness of it, and all that good stuff. You can figure out what's trending and all of that. So when you go to Google and just type in Google Keyword, and it'll take you to the place you need to be. Now you will have to make a Google Ads account and you'll have to create an ad, but you can just disable the ad the second you're done. So you go through and you do that, then you click discover new keywords. Once you've clicked on that, this is where you type your keyword. So if I'm trying to find a shirt design that could be trendy, I will type in shirt and then get results. Now you wait for it to load. And here we go. So you see right here, I got 1,112 keyword ideas available. You got your actual keywords, you got your average monthly searches, competition, top of page bid, and top of page high range. So this is basically if you were running ads with this keyword. So over on this right side, this is where you can go to basically refine what keyword you're looking for. I don't recommend doing that because you're going to end up getting confused and you're going to limit what you can actually see. So right here, I'm always going to click on competition so I can sort it by low to high. So right here, this means that there's less people working with this than there is with other words. So now I'm just going to go through and I'm going to try and find a t-shirt that I can make. So like right here, not that I'm Vanos Gaming, but like there are people looking for his merch, but he only has medium competition. So like if you were that, then you would work on that. Let's see here. Sons of Anarchy t-shirt. I can't do that because that's copyrighted, but that's definitely something you can go for. So as you can see, you do have plenty of options. You got a Punisher t-shirt. Most of it's pretty like general t-shirt, but right here you got a father-son clothing. So that is a good one to capitalize on because that means that there are around 1,000 to 10,000 people looking for father-to-son clothing every month. Your low range isn't that bad, neither is your high range, and it does have high competition, but when you're looking at shirts, you're always going to have high competition. It's just a fact. You got a Superman t-shirt, that's always an option, and so forth. So you can scroll through here to try and get yourself some ideas. Oh, like right here, this is one I like. I like working with this. Couples t-shirt. So see, I got 10K to 100,000 monthly searches on just Google for couple t-shirts. All right, my low range is 36 cents per click on my page. High range is 90 cents per click on my page. So in couples t-shirt is definitely something I can pursue. So I'm going to run with that further on. Another way to do it, and this one is just to get ideas again, is go to Teespring, which I've had videos on Teespring, but go to Teespring, and what you're going to do is just scroll through and see what's on there trending. So see, you got no fluffs given. You got, they whispered to her, you cannot withstand the storm. She whispered back, I am the storm. And Team Remboy, whatever that is, I think that's a soccer player. I have no idea. I'm going to offend someone if I start doing that. And then you have your staff picks. So as you can see here, I got, let's see, 3 of these shirts that are recommended on the front page all involve a cat, or at least, yeah, they're all cats or animals. Whoops. So that's a good sign. Scroll down a little bit. Phone cases, I got another set of animals. Okay. So as you can see, animals is definitely a big consistency on the front page of Teespring. So maybe I should aim for couple shirts, but with animals. I can try and entertain the two. So now you go to Amazon. Amazon's another great place where you go and you figure out what products are trending. So type in couple t-shirts. Okay. So here you go. You got I Stole Her Heart, I Stole His Last Name, King Queen, Boring, The Boss, The Real Boss, Better Together, okay. I have everything I need, I am everything, love, I am everything, blah blah blah, King, Love, Minnie, The Boss, Wally, Queen, okay. Alright, so you see, just right here, you're getting an idea of what type of competition you have out there for couple t-shirts. And as you can tell, I think we're on to something. Yeah, because there's not really any t-shirt designs here that are a couple t-shirts, but with animals. So now, animals. Okay, so see, we're getting an idea of what type of competition you have out there, or at least what is trending. Because see, obviously this right here, it's a great shirt, sells a lot. 1,800 reviews means it has at least 10,000 sales. Right here, 1,400 reviews, you got at least 10,000 sales again. Okay, so we're on to something with our couple t-shirts now, couple t-shirt animals. So you can also go to Pinterest, where if you type in t-shirts, you see what type of pins pop up. Not quite as accurate because it's more likely to bring up according to you, but it is something that you can try. It's also a great place to get ideas of what type of other t-shirts are out there. So obviously, like I'm not going to type in my couple t-shirts animals here because it's just not going to get anywhere. Pinterest attunes itself to you. So this is more for if you're looking at ideas that actually interest you. Another great place is Etsy. So type in couple t-shirts. There we go. So here you have, I love her personality, education, Mr. and Mrs., she's mine. Mostly the same as Amazon. You get the same boss t-shirts, but again, you're just looking for competition and you're looking for ideas. So all of these are all like just words. Lots of people don't want just words. So our competition for animal t-shirts that are coupley, so say like maybe 2 koala bears hugging or whatever, you name it, that might be something we can capitalize on. So when you're looking for these type of ideas to start your t-shirt business, you have to find out where the competition is, if there's a market, and if it, in the end, which is important to everyone, can make you money. I mean, for example, you got this one right here, the Mr. and Mrs. t-shirt. They got their bestseller first off, 3,789 reviews. They're popping off with their cash, I can tell you that. And they probably have a full merch line by now. So anyways, find a t-shirt that has a little bit of competition, isn't too crazy. Because see, I went here and I found that a couple t-shirts has enough search volume, but I don't want to just try and compete with a couple t-shirts. So then I went through the rest of these, found out in Teespring that it looks like animal t-shirts are trending. Found out in Amazon that a couple t-shirts sell really good on Amazon. Then go to Etsy and you just keep getting these ideas. The key is finding each one, comparing, and then figuring out which design doesn't have too much competition, but is a branch off of a big design. So my big design is couple t-shirts. Big thing, lots of people search it. My little aspect of that, my long-term keyword, my long-term search results is going to be animal couple t-shirts. And then boom, you have a t-shirt business, gonna make you profit. So if you found this video helpful, leave a like, subscribe, follow this journey. I'm gonna make some animal couple t-shirts because I think this will work. So anyways guys, peace out.